Haka jingialang kabalalong Madan Polo Shillong haka nyotarik unai wing arhajar arpuar ki dkhot jang ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ke MCA ryngkat ke jingiadon lang ki dkhot ke Shillong Cricket Association ke SCA ki bakenthop yau Vice President ke MCA Bah Rayonald Kharkamni Honorary Treasurer Dhrubajyoti Thakuria Chief Curator ke MCA Bah Peter Jarman Lamare baru President ke SCA Bah Peter Macdonald Kharsawian kila pdiang sngewbha Chief Curator Jong ke Board of Control for Cricket in India nika Bcci Ashish Bhowmick balawan ban yu kjat haga jylla ban khmih ban Jurip ya Madan Cricket Polo ya kyrshan da katei seng Haba kren katei jingialang Ashish Bhowmick ulaya ro ek jingtrei shitom jong ke MCA haka bayadei bat ke jingshna bat maramot ya Madan jylla kai cricket kaba Haba ke kyrshan bat jingpeng jong ke BCCI Bhowmick ula ongru ba katei Madan kalai ryngkat kerdan bat ki wei pat ki Madan jylla kai cricket ki ba bhatam hakari India wat pdiang ki jingialang ki babon ki ba ke MCA kalai kendu haka ba penbha ya katei jaka President Jong Meghalaya Cricket Association Bah Bhattacharya ulaya thuru baka seng kalarai ban nang yai penbha shu ek Madan jylla kai cricket da ka persang ban thung bat tap da ki wei pat ki kenja phlang ki bala ban sha yo slap ka sngi khnang ba onla ban penne pensa ya ka nam ka jongka kum ka wei na ki Madan cricket ki ba bhatam hakari India Honorary Secretary ka SCA Bah Gideon Kharkongor haba kren halor ke jing ai nam ke jong Bhowmick ya ka Madan Cricket Polo ulaya thu ba kermen ru ba shen ka Madan ka Bah Polo bat ka Bahatura kin salong kita ki jaka ya ki ba ka BCCI kan kenthop kum ki Madan jylla kai cricket ki jongka ha ki jingialang kai ki ban salong hadin habot
India how many grounds So he is visiting all the grounds, so 100 and maybe 200 grounds, so he is visiting. So it's very privilege actually for us to have Ashish here in our midst. And of course in Tura, Mr. Amit Sideshwar was also there, but then he could not make it to Shillong. Now, just briefly, when BCCI has given us these two grounds, for renovation and for rebuilding, one at Tura at the Lord Grey and the other in Shillong here in Polo. So this is under the whole supervision of Ashish. So we're very glad that BCCI has given us these two grounds and Ashish has overseen. And because of the COVID, we could not really regularly meet. In between we had a session where there's no activity at all. And we see the ground as it is today. In fact, this is about 90%. So hopefully by next year we're going to have a full-fledged ground both at Shillong and at Tura. So we're very thankful to Ashish and his team for managing these two grounds in a very remote area like Shillong. I know many other grounds would be better off, but because of the challenging climatic conditions and also the geographical location of Shillong.
Association goes back decades, not in years. And we are really grateful that when this ground was envisaged to develop that ground and the BCCI came forward, it was because both of us went to Mumbai and he with one Mr. Mukherjee, I think. Sarvendra, who was sent by BCCI, and then we could get this, even the dressing room and all, because we wanted it on a priority. Thereafter, COVID and other issues came up, but I think now we have to begin again in earnest. And Mr. Ashish Bhowmick is always there whenever you call him. Although you know he is the Chief Curator of BCCI. That means all the grounds within the jurisdiction of BCCI is under his monitoring and control. So, in spite of that, from Meghalaya, from Northeast, whenever we approach him, and I would request Bah Peter, also our Chief Curator, Bah Peter, to be in touch regularly, and whatever he has said, that we follow that. There may be mistakes.
Very nice to have you, Ashish.
Yeah.
So, as part of that program, it's like inaugurating this ground and the facilities that is here, and we still hope that, like President said, our partnership or cooperation will continue, because your advice is ultimate for us. So that we know we are not complete yet, but we want all your suggestions, your advices, so that we want to make this one of the finest grounds also in the country. So I would request firstly Madama to put the shawl. This is from us, additionally to acknowledge and honor you.
This is known as the local that India. It is an honor and tradition from the Kashmir society when you welcome someone who is close to your heart with all the dignity and honor and welcome and become a part of the society.
Thank you so much. Then I would request our Vice President to honor the shawl. This is from the Garo community.
Speaking to all of them and continuously watching the ball bounce and carry. Really very good for practice. So this is the real condition where a player grows. So I am very happy to see things are in place gradually. And for the outfield, we already told it will take some time, maybe next year. So I am really grateful to Meghalaya Association for supporting us, supporting me, Navada. We know each other for decades. So I hope they will bring up more venues in Meghalaya where the players can play and practice mainly. Now we are having 8-10 teams each state, so we require more places like this. So I hope they will try their best to develop more grounds. I am always there. I'll be coming whenever required. If I get some space for 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, whenever required by them, I'll come back for sure. And thank you, Navada, and congratulations to become president. Once again, we are seeing in the mainstream. Thank you all.